The objective of this presentation is to demonstrate how the pivot tool can be used to drill into maintenance category and observe what subcategory slices are primary contributors towards a grand total. We will further our exploration by utilizing our fleet averages to spot outlier driver expenditures. We will start by observing the client dashboard and identifying a category of interest. If we scroll down to the maintenance costs, we'll see that tires comprise 35.6% of the total maintenance cost, the greatest percentage of the fleet maintenance costs. So let's go up to our custom reporting and make sure that our settings page has the fields that we want. Save those. And then go to a pivot table. Now here we'll first set the reporting time that we want, which is the full year for 2016. We'll set our pages to 20 records per page. Now we'll show the fields that we want to filter by. To achieve our objective, we will organize a report to slice the main maintenance categories into the subcategory components that comprise them. We will then filter our main category to tires to observe only this category. Unselect all. Scroll down and select tires. And we can identify the top spending is on light truck tires. So we're going to filter our main maintenance subcategory to isolate light truck tires. We can now start working towards our secondary objective to leverage this information to establish an average fleet expenditure for light truck tires and leverage the information against individual driver records. So let's reopen the fields window and change the summarize by setting on maintenance price, selecting the arrow next to it and following steps below. We're going to choose to summarize and the average. And there we'll see the average of $207. We'll re-enter this fields window and add a few more to the report. The driver's full name, vehicle make, and the vehicle model. And this helps us identify two drivers, Jamie and Jason, who have higher than average expenditures on light truck tires. Notice that a further investigation may be made into why these drivers' average costs are so much higher, such as the state the tires were purchased or the facility. In conclusion, we have seen how the Velcor pivot tool can be used to slice up maintenance category into its subcomponents. Then we leverage the average on a maintenance subcategory field against individual records to look for outliers. As one can imagine, this is just the tip of the iceberg in terms of how a pivot function can be used to gain further insight into maintenance data. This could be taken further to take account of the amount of tires purchased by month to observe seasonal patterns with tire purchasing habits.